Hi, this is Jason West, and in this video, got some great news. We have now added a full calendar booking and appointment system to Fast Funnels, a little bit like Calendly, where you can just go in, select a day, time, book a call with someone, but even more advanced and beautiful, simple to use. So here we go then. We're in right now. You'll see it has been added to your dashboard of Fast Funnels under bookings. You can also get to it through the CRM here and bookings on the left hand side. And then to explain this little navigation here, what we've got is first of all the ability to create the event. So for example, like a client call would be an event. And then here we have the schedule. So this is where you can see all of the bookings and appointments that you have all in one convenient place and filter by type and person. Then we have operators. Now the operator is the actual person. So say for example, you're a beauty salon. I'm going to use that as an example throughout this demonstration. If you're a beauty salon, you might have 5, 6, 7 different people who work for you. You would add those people in here. Or if you're a solicitor or whatever you are, then you can just put those people in. And then the service is the actual thing that they're booking. So if you were, say, a beauty therapist, you might offer massage, you might offer nails, that kind of thing. You would add those services in here. So nails and massage. So let's go now for beauty, book an actual event for our theoretical beauty salon. So we'll call it just here, we'll just put it down as client booking. So that's the event. Then we'll just put there what it is. So book an appointment we are at our salon. And then the location, you can put, salon address or a link to a map. So 100 London Road. There we go. London W13ET, just as an example. Then you can opt to send an email straight to the person to confirm about the appointment and when it's made. Then we're going to just add an operator. If you've already gone and created them in the other section, then they'll be here. If not, you can just create one right here on the fly. So this is the person. So I'm going to add a person called Claire, and her email is claire@mysalon.com. Then the description here, beauty therapist. There we go. And then the image here is just going to be an image, say, of the person. So let's just upload a file, add Claire there. There we go. And then just select. Save. Then we'll go to add that person by clicking on the add link. There we are. So that's a person who can be one of the people that are booked through this particular scheduling appointment system. And then when are you available? So the meeting duration, let's say they're all 1 hour appointments like that. The operator is available for booking, let's say either 2 weeks, 3, 4, 5, 6 indefinitely, or a custom date range. I'm going to go for indefinitely. And then every day we're going to change to just Monday to Friday from 9 till 5. But you can scrap that if you want, and then you can add more days and times. So you can get really specific on the availability in this section here. You can also add exclusion days. So maybe they're going on holiday for a couple of days. Let's just say they're going away on the 29th till the 30th. There we are. So that's now excluded that from their availability. Then we'll click next. And now we have the actual form questions. So we can edit the form questions. If you're doing, for example, a discovery call or something, you're a coach or a consultant, great to be able to ask some pre-qualifying questions. And you can add in the fields here as normal when you're doing a form on Fast Funnels. You can add in extra custom fields and ask them all kinds of things if you want to. So really, really useful to be able to do that when they're booking the call. And just going back there to the services, let me just get that back up here. You see here where it says link services. What we can do is add in a service, and I'm going to add in one service here, and we'll call it massage. There we go. Description, full body massage. massage. There we go. And we'll say 60 minutes. We won't bother putting an image, but you could put a nice picture of someone getting a massage on a bed, and then just click save and then add. So that's what you can book with Claire. But what about if you want Claire for having your nails done or something? So then you can add another service, and you can call this one nails. There we go. Nail care. And we'll put that one as, say, a 60-minute appointment. Again, you can put some pictures of some nails there, click save, and then add that in there too. So you can see the flexibility of this funnel is really, really good, and this booking system is very, very flexible. Not only can you choose individuals, you can also choose what service that individual offers, and you can also ask pre-qualifying questions for anyone who wants to book. So really, really good. And then the confirmation, we can use a default confirmation message that will show up where the booking form is. And I'm going to demonstrate that as well. So we can put in something like there, like thank you for your booking. We will confirm by telephone, something like that. Okay. And then a description there as well if you want to. So, please ensure you arrive 5 minutes early. There we go. We'll do something like that. Okay. Or you can choose a custom page. And this is another great feature of this. We can just click on custom page and now go and select a page you would like to show them after they book. So that might be a welcome video. There might be some further instructions on how to get to the premises if it's a physical booking to go somewhere. So that can be done just by clicking here, going and finding the relevant page and then adding that. Or we can go back to our default message and then also add a call to action button here. So let's just say map, launch map, something like that. And then you can add a URL right here. Can be an external URL, again, same thing, or any page or anything you want, like go to our website would be another good one. And you can send them to the homepage of your site there if you wanted to. So let's take that one out and we'll leave it as the default and then save the changes. So that is now there and available to be booked. So here it is. We can add as many of these as we want. It varies on the plan that you are on, and we'll be releasing details about that very shortly if we haven't done so by the time you watch this, as to how many bookings and operators and things that you can have. But this is just a good overview of the system. So recapping now, we've got a blank schedule because nobody has booked anything yet. We've got one operator called Claire, and these are the services that she offers, nails and massage. And then you can see the individual schedules for each one of these two services as well. So now, how do you use this? How do you get bookings and fill your calendar? Well, the way that we do it is we go over to the builder and then we can add in a new widget, which is just over here. Here's the booking widget. So we can grab it, drag it and drop it wherever we want. I'm going to put it right here in the middle. And now we select the event. And as you know, we've got the client booking event. And there it is. Immediately, let's just come out of there. Immediately, it has now gone into here. And because there are two different services that people can have, we're giving them the option to choose first. So I'll save this and let's go and preview this now to show you what it looks like in reality. So I can choose nails or massage. Let's go with nails. And now the calendar appears and we can pick our time and everything. We can see the details of where it is. And we can even change the time zone as well, which is very important if you're doing international calls. But let's just pick 2 o'clock. I'm going to enter my name here and then put in an email address and then book my appointment. And there we are. Thank you. We'll confirm your booking by telephone. And then please ensure you arrive 5 minutes early. And there's a reminder. Plus we have the add to calendar little button there so we can go and add that into our own personal calendar so we don't miss it. And we have an email that's been sent to us with this. So really neat and tidy. It's all just built on your page. Very, very cool. So now that booking has been made, that will appear in our booking section and we'll also get an email to notify us too. Now, what about other settings on here? Well, if we go to edit, there's a lot of control with this actual form. For example, you can change all of the fonts. You can see those just changing there like that. We can go Verdana and all of these other different fonts. Hammersmith 1, you know. And then general font goes for Tahoma. So there's a change of fonts. We can do that too. We can also change our layout of the calendar. Fantastic. 4 different designs. You can have a big one like this. You can change it around like that. There's all sorts of different designs. Just play around with it. This one's really cool because it's like 1 of 3 steps and it lets them know exactly where they are within the process. Then the step settings. We can choose all of the colors, the styling, the number of services per row, the labels that are used for them. So you can see here all of these different label settings. Brilliant. The summary styling. And very importantly, we can tag our contacts as they come in. So this will be really useful for the future when you want to quickly see everybody who has booked, say, nails appointments, everybody who's booked massage. Because one day we're going to also have email marketing, so having the ability to quickly be able to contact just those people is going to be fantastic. But if you have at the moment hooked up with MailerLite, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, any of those guys that we work with already, you will see the actual button just here. Say, for example, with ActiveCampaign, you can now make this person go straight into ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, MailerLite, Aweber, and so on, MooSend, and all of the other services that we integrate with right there by selecting them and then choosing the list you want them to go into. So an enormous amount of flexibility, and as you can see, it works really smoothly. So if I save this now, we can just go back to the process. And again, I'll pick nails, and now we've got a different layout of our calendar here. We can always go back if we want to change our mind. We can pick a day and then again pick a time and go through with the booking. Now from the other end, once we've finished all of this, we can go to our bookings anytime we want, look at our schedule. There's the booking that I just did a few moments ago. If I click show details, we can see the name of the person, their email address, and anything else that they actually completed if you requested other things in the form. And then we can cancel the event just by clicking here. So it's a fantastic booking system. You can throw away other booking systems now that you may be using, like Acuity, gosh, there's so many of them. Calendly is the main one probably, but there's so many of them. It's all built in now with FastFunnels. It's really smooth. And when people are tagged and so on, you're going to see them here. So if you've got tags, you can create them. So let's just say we put now like nail booking. There we are. Everybody who fills out an appointment or books an appointment for nails, they're going to come and be tagged with this. So when we go to our CRM, we're going to see that person there and they'll have the tag, and we can filter by that tag. So that's why it's useful. And later on, further down the line, perhaps within the next 6 months, hopefully, we'll be able to email all those people just with that tag. So a really strong booking system. I really hope you like the update. If you've got any questions at all, don't forget we have our support at fastfunnels.com. And if you're watching this video and you do not have an account yet, you need to jump on board, get a free trial of FastFunnels. It will change your business online. You can do so much for so little. At the time of doing this video, you can have an account for just $29 a month equivalent if you pay annual. So way cheaper than the other competitors out there. And we offer way much more value and way more features, and they all work. So thanks again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got something from it. Get using your new booking system if you're a FastFunnels user. And if you're not, get a trial. Take care.